Hey guys, it's Tay Bryce. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I am going to be recording like a drive with me Q&A. I have like a 30 to 40 minute drive ahead of me, and I wanted to get this Q&A out for you guys somehow, some way. I'm not in my usual setting because I came back home to Maryland for Thanksgiving, obviously. So we're in my car. I wanted to record a video. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, so a while ago, maybe like a few weeks ago, I told you guys to ask me questions on either my YouTube like community tab post, or you can DM them to me on Instagram. So I'm gonna pull those questions up. My wallpaper's so cute. Hey, let's get this thing started. Forgive me for not looking at the camera, but your girl needs to keep her eyes on the road. Once I stop, I will read the first question. So I'll be back. And now we can look at the first question. The first question says, how old are you? So I am 22 years old. I just turned 22 on November 3rd, election day. Yes, I am 22. And I'm looking forward to many more years. The next question says, do you want to expand your content on your YouTube channel? And the answer to that is yes, because you guys are mainly here for my lock videos, and I really do appreciate that. But I am like, you know, more than my hair. Ideally, I would love to like create like lifestyle type videos. I just posted my skincare routine, so stuff like that. I'm very into self-care and, you know, just, I don't know, like I love watching people's lifestyle videos, so that's the type of videos that I want to create for you all. One moment, please. Okay, do y'all put y'all mask on when you go through the drive-thru? I do. Yeah, I feel like you should. I definitely do intend on creating content outside of vlogs. I know that obviously those videos don't get as many views, but I like making those type of videos, so those are the type of videos I'm gonna make in addition to my lock videos. I really want to start taking this YouTube journey seriously. I feel like it's going to be a work in progress, but that's what I want to do. So I'm gonna do it. Expect to see like different content soon. I love watching vlogs. I want to vlog eventually, so if you guys would be interested in that, let me know. My life isn't too exciting right now. I'm about to graduate college. I feel like I just want to go on this life after college series. Maybe, oh, did I just come up with something? I'm gonna have to write that down. Okay, Taylor, I want to do a life after like graduating series, you know. I want to take you guys through the ups and the downs of everything. I want to take you guys along this journey because I know that being a recent grad student can be a struggle. Like I feel like I'm already going through the motions of post-grad depression, and I haven't even graduated. Like, what? With all that being said, expect videos soon. I should probably start flashing my card in the camera. Expect different content soon. I'd really appreciate if you all watched it. That would mean the world to me. Yeah, the next question says, is that necessary? The next question says, what made you want to start a channel, and do you have any tips for people that want to start? Okay, so honestly, my suggestion was to really just to start. Like, just do it. Stop procrastinating. If you know that this is something that you really want to do it. Like, the only person stopping you from doing it is you. Have an outline for how you want your channel to be. Promote yourself, because nobody else is going to do it except for you. So that is one thing that I wish I did differently. Like, when I started my channel, I did not promote my channel because the way my anxiety is set up, your girl wasn't doing that. Like, there was no way I was going to promote my channel on my Instagram, because I was like, oh my gosh, like, people are gonna see it. I definitely have grown since then. I am still working on it because I don't promote myself as much as I probably should, but I have taken strides to promoting myself more. I feel like I'm really just rapping right now, but I hope you guys are picking up what I'm putting down. I'm sorry in advance. I talk about stuff, I'm all over the place. We're gonna move on to the next question. I got a caramel macchiato. Okay, so I was able to glance at the next question. And the question says, do you have any relationship advice? Seeing as how none of my relationships have worked out, I don't think I do. Honestly, like, the most genuine advice I can give you is don't, you know, force anything. If you know you deserve more, and you deserve more, girl, always know that you deserve top tier treatment. If you're not up here with me, I don't want it, period. Like, don't take any half-ass treatment, okay? Don't take any half-ass treatment in hopes that things will change, because, baby girl, I'm telling you, they won't. If they weren't already doing it, they're probably not going to start doing it. So, but yeah, that's one of my biggest pieces of advice. This is a good question. Somebody asked me, how are you coping during the pandemic? I'm doing okay during the pandemic. I am very blessed and thankful and grateful for my family. I'm just very thankful to be in the position that I am. But as far as like mentally, girl, kind of struggling. But I'm taking strides to get to where I want to be mentally and physically. But the pandemic has really been, it's done a number. The big thing that's helped me during this pandemic has been just getting outdoors and just like enjoying nature. Like, I'm starting to be really big on that, like, because I promise you, like, it'll make you feel better. Move around, run for 10 minutes, do something, like, you'll feel better. So that's how I've been coping with this pandemic. Oh, and YouTube. I've been recording videos, I've been editing, obviously I've been watching YouTube. Like, YouTube is an escape for me when it comes to like just trying to relax and not think about, I guess, the outside world for a little bit. Obviously you can't avoid it forever, but it is nice to just take a little break and zone out. It's just like, okay, let's just watch somebody else's life instead of having to worry about mine right now. Sir, let me over, please. Ooh, thank you so much. The next question is, what do you like to do in your pastime? Like I said, I watch a lot of YouTube in my pastime. Like, when I'm free, I'm either watching YouTube, I'll be watching a show on Netflix, Helloooo, Sling, Disney Plus. I like to do yoga. I like to get out of the house, find a trail, find a park, and just see what I can get into. That's really how I pass my free time, other than just like laying around the house. It's definitely hard to find things to do to pass your free time because of this pandemic. What do you guys like to do in your free time? Let me know. The next question was, do you have any hobbies or talents? As far as hobbies, I would definitely say yoga. YouTube is one of them. Those are my hobbies. As far as talents, I feel like personally I don't have any one talent. I feel like I'm very good at picking up new hobbies, I guess. I'm good at picking up on stuff fast, so I feel like I don't have any one thing that I'm like so good at, if that makes sense. I don't think I have any hidden talents for real, or just any talents in general. I feel like I'm good at a lot of things. And the next question is, where are you from? And I am from Prince George's County, Maryland. I grew up primarily in Bowie, Maryland. So the next question after that is, how do you maintain your locks in between retwists? As far as like maintaining my hair in between retwists, for the first like week and a half, 2 weeks after a retwist, that's when it just starts to not look as fresh. So in between that, I just try to do styles like this. My hair still is pretty retwisted, as you can see. It's holding up pretty well, but I try to just do little styles. Obviously keep your hair moisturized. I spray it with water every couple of days, oil my scalp. If I'm not feeling my hair, I will wear a head wrap. I'll insert a picture here. I will wear a head wrap. Those are really good, but majority of the time, especially because I don't really go anywhere. Ew, that's from my lip gloss, y'all, sorry. Especially because I don't really go anywhere where I need to get all dressed up or like cute every day. Majority of the time I just have a scarf on, so that's been a big plus, I guess you can say, of the pandemic. Majority of the time I'm just wearing my scarf. That's really how I've been maintaining my hair. I try to do low tension styles, but I'm kind of limited on the styles that I can do because, you know, my hair length. But I did do a video where I showed you guys like 7 of my go-to styles. So if you haven't watched it, click the card above and go watch that for me, please, and thank you. So I definitely do those styles to maintain my retwist until I'm ready for the next one. The next question says, how many locks do you have? I've gotten this question a lot, and I believe I have 70 locks. I'm almost positive I have 70 locks. I'm pretty sure that's accurate. But if you guys want me to, I can do a lock count as a separate video, or I can incorporate it into my next lock update. Let me know what you guys want me to do. But that was the last question. Thank you guys so much for asking me these questions. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry if it was all over the place, because whenever I talk about stuff, I feel like I'm all over the place. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, ask me questions, interact with me. I love when you guys leave comments, because are you joking? People cannot drive. Like I said before, I really just want for us all to get to know each other, and I'm really looking forward to making new content for you all. Alright guys, so I reached my destination. I answered all of your questions. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed recording it for you. I enjoyed talking to you guys. And yeah, just thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.